So the other thing I was just thinking about with that too is like the getting started to the first go, right? The getting started is the hardest part of the whole business model. Mm-hmm. Like figuring out how to just get going and get to that first client, okay? Or get to that first welding job, or get through the first test, or whatever it is in whatever you guys are working on. The start to the first one is the hardest. You are trying to figure out how to talk to these people. You're trying to figure out the job. You're trying to figure out how to test. You've never done it. And you just don't know what you just don't know. Mm-hmm. But once you get to the first one, you have now learned this chunk of time, right? You know how to get to the first one. So go to the second one. Go to the third one. And as you get, the timeline to the first one is so much longer than the timeline to the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth. And just learning how to talk to people or get to where you need to be, the timelines start to shorten, and you're successful quicker.
Yeah, I'd agree with that.